Hi everyone, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to change Discord token. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to donate to our channel. So that will be a big support if you do. Now jumping onto the video, it is quite simple. Now what are you going to do is here, as you can see, basically we have a method that is discussed by various people to change your token. Basically your token is linked to your account identity and its password protection system. So to change its token, you're going to be simply resetting your password. So head over to your Discord and settings and privacy, and from there you can easily reset your password. And once you do that, what is going to be happening is that it is going to be resetting or changing your Discord token. So eventually that is the process for it, and it is quite simple. Make sure to give it a try. If you're facing any issue, you can let us know in the comments below and we will try to fix it as soon as possible. So yeah, that is it for this video guys, and I really hope it is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description to donate to our channel as well. That will be highly supported, and see you guys around in the next video.